What's up, guys? Today I'm in Ashland, Kentucky, and this may look like a pretty cool skate park, but this is actually one of the worst skate parks I have ever been to. Like, this ramp looks good at first, but take a look at the coping. This stuff, so it sticks out like 2 inches on top, and then it's like flush. It's like flush with the ramp, but then the top of it's just terrifying. I think even more than the coping, it's just the way the transition is made. Like the quick, steep transition that's messing me up. The coping's a little bit better in the middle. I might be able to get a trick on here. Oh my gosh. Transition is one of those extremely fragile things in skateboarding. Like, if you don't draw it out right, make the right transition, it's going to make the ramp almost impossible to skate. This thing feels like just a quick little transition into a wall. It feels like you're hitting a wall. And the coping, the way it sticks out, it really does change the way it feels. Like, I would rather do tricks on a 14-foot vert ramp than this about 6-foot terrifying transition. The way this coping sticks out, it makes dropping in actually terrifying. Like, your board, instead of being about like this, is like pointing up. So the ramp, so this ramp is huge, and it's this really quick, steep transition. I thought it looked really good when I first saw this ramp on the internet, but in person, when you skate this thing, it just feels like you're running into a wall. Now, the rest of the park, there's really not much to talk about. The flat ground is okay, but it looks like it was built on some old concrete that was already here. There's like these horrible little indentions that mess you up if you're trying to do any kind of real flat ground skating. We've got this piece of metal bolted into the ground. This looks like it was just taken from some construction site, and everything's coated in rust. We got a parking block that probably the skateboarders just took that from, you know, a parking lot and stuck it there. This rail, it's rusty, but it's pretty nice. It's decent. It's a round rail, kinked rail. And that's probably the best thing, the most skatable thing here, actually. So when you first look at this ramp, it looks like it's pretty good. It looks like a nice park. But when you get a little closer and you examine this thing, this ramp is terrifying. So the coping sticks out about 2 inches on top, and then it's completely flush with the ramp on the inside. This ramp, the way it's built, it's just so bumpy, and it's just such a quick little transition at the bottom that it goes to this really steep transition at the top. So there you go, guys. That is the Ashland, Kentucky skate park. I've had a few people asking me if this park is worth coming to, and no, it's not. Especially if you live in Lexington or somewhere far away, it's not worth a 2-hour drive. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.